Hi guys, you're welcome to Cyber Smart Tips. On this page, I get to share safety tips for everyday internet users. The video of today is going to be on something very important, which is your password security. If at the end of this video you're not practicing some of the things I'm going to mention or advise you to reconsider. Okay, so let's dive into it. Password security. So first off, let's talk about why strong and unique passwords are very important. Now I want you to picture a scenario where the key that you use in opening your door, the front door of your house, is the same key that you use in opening your car and the same key used for your office. Okay? This is how you're supposed to approach your online accounts. In the same manner, you don't want to have the same password for your email account, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X, right? It's simple. Once somebody has access to any of those passwords, they have access to everything else about you, because 9 times out of 10, when somebody has access to, let's say, your Facebook account, they will want to use the same credential to test your Instagram, your email, and other services. It's very possible, right? That's what most hackers do. And so many people have this habit of using the same email. Use the same email for all your social medias. It is a fact. I can tell you, some of you watching this will be guilty for this one. You have the same email for Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and the same passwords. You don't want to do that. After today, you have to stop that, okay? You need to have unique passwords for all of those services. It's very important. Okay, so now that we've created unique passwords for our different accounts, we want to make sure they are strong passwords, okay? We don't want to have passwords like password 123, 123, 4, 5, 6, 7, all those easily passwords that can easily be guessed and all that, okay? So we want to create very strong passwords, and creating a strong password starts with mixing up the characters. You want to have a special character in your password. You want to have an uppercase, a number, and lowercase. Okay, that's the first thing. You mix up the characters, mix characters. The second thing is you want to have a password that's at least 12 characters long. Okay, which is a mixture of uppercase, lowercase, special characters, and numbers. Okay, it should be at least 12 characters long. The third thing is you don't want to use commonly guessed words. You don't want to use things like your date of birth, your nickname, city where you're from or where you're born, or stuff like that. They are easy to guess by people around you. Okay, your password is supposed to be unique. Okay, so now that we've created our very strong passwords and passphrases, the next tricky thing is keeping track with these passwords. But that is where password managers come in. Now, a password manager is going to securely store your passwords, and some password managers even create passwords for you. They help create strong passwords for you, okay, and they store them so you can easily access them. Just copy and paste. Okay. Now, popular options are LastPass, Bitwarden. I personally use NordPass because it comes with my VPN subscriptions. So now to wrap it up, you want to use strong and unique passwords for your social media. You want to make sure your passwords are at least 12 characters long. There should be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. And you want to use a password manager to keep everything organized. Okay? They say your safety online begins with your password. Alright? So go back and fix them. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and follow this page for daily cyber security tips. Alright, now if you want me to do a video about anything in particular, just leave me a request in the comment section. I will definitely do a video for you. Okay, thank you.